I'm Gene Myers, and I started Thrive Home Builders. I don't think we get to be healthy people if our planet is unhealthy. And so I began to think that maybe the real focus of our business ought to be all about the health of our customers and the health of our planet. I've heard numbers that the building sector contributes between 20 and 40% of global emissions, and new home construction is a significant part of that. The U.S. is not going to be able to meet its climate commitments under the Paris Agreement without this industry playing an important role in carbon reduction. That's really the motivator for us to begin to figure this out and to share what we're learning on our journey with the rest of the industry. My concern is that if we don't do this kind of on our own time and in our own way, that it will be mandated upon the industry through building codes, and I'd rather try to figure out the solution than to wait for the regulators to impose something on us. And now, with the passage of the Infrastructure Act, the 45L tax credit, other incentives, there are financial incentives for builders to get involved in increasing energy efficiency. A big part of our efforts in moving to carbon neutrality for our homes is the products that we put in our homes and the manufacturers that we partner with to align on the same goals. And SUNNOVA is and has been a huge partner of ours for years. More and more we see how energy efficiency and the benefits of SUNNOVA and rooftop solar on our houses weaves into all kinds of different directions. Let's take the health of our customers as an example. We're an EPA Indoor Air Plus builder, and getting fossil fuels out of the house is a really big part of health. We're seeing big cities like San Francisco prohibit future natural gas connections for residential projects. And we're seeing that happen here in Colorado as well. For all of our customers, whether they're millennials or aging baby boomers, they're all interested in really fixing their cost of home ownership. And energy costs are highly variable. With SUNNOVA's rooftop generation of energy plus the ability in the battery to store that energy, our customers can really manage their way through a lot of the variability of these energy costs. Thrive is working on lofty goals, the reduction of carbon and the effect of carbon emissions on climate change, and we can't do that without partnerships. We're so grateful for our partnership with SUNNOVA, and they're helping us to build better, more reliable homes, pulling fossil fuels out of the homes that actually aid in climate change, but also in fostering the health of our homeowners. We know that they're focused on the same things that we are. So it's with a great amount of gratitude that I just say thank you, SUNNOVA.